Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you are doing well. So in this data security series, today we are going to learn about object and field level security in Salesforce. So here we will be understand what are the profiles and users in Salesforce. Then we will see what is the object level security and field level security so that we can secure our data in Salesforce. So the object and field level security is very important in the Salesforce because here only we can decide if there any object or the field is very important or the confidential. Then using these securities we can restrict the user to access that object or the field. So in this video I will be detailed explain about the data security in Salesforce. For that, watch this video till the end and don't miss any step. And if you are new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so whenever we post a new video you will get an update. Now before moving ahead, here is very big announcement for the Salesforce geekers. We are going to conduct Salesforce Agentforce live webinar on the 17th of September. So in this live webinar, we are going to learn about introduction to the Salesforce Agentforce. Then I will be explain the features of Agentforce. Then we will understand what are the different types of agent. Then what are the building blocks to create the Agentforce. After that, I will be explain how we can activate the Salesforce agent. And then also I will be explain how we can create the service agent and deploy it. So don't miss this opportunity to understand the Salesforce Agentforce. For that, register now and be ready to take your skills to the next level. The register link of this live webinar I will be provided in the description box. So check the description box and register now. Now moving towards our topic.
Now let's understand what is object level security. The object level security refers to ability to control access of various types of record, that means objects, in the Salesforce database. For example, you may have access, accounts, contacts and opportunities using object level security. Then using object level security, we can control who can see or interact with which type of object in Salesforce. Then we can also allow specific user to execute activities such as creating or updating records within the object. Then understand what is profile in Salesforce. In Salesforce, a profile is like a set of rules and permissions that define what user can and cannot do in the Salesforce ecosystem. Then we can assign multiple users to the single profile. I have created a video for how to create profile and how to create user in Salesforce. I will give you a link in description box. You can go through it. Then let's understand what is field level security. In Salesforce, there is a feature that allows us to control and access specific fields within object. That means first we will give access of object level security, then we can give field level security so that user can access those fields. So let's see which permissions we can give from profile. So this permission I have divided into save mode permission and the edit mode permission. So quickly I show you what is save mode permission and edit mode permission on the Salesforce org. In the quick find box, I am searching profile. Here I created custom principal profile. Before that, I have created video on how to create custom profile and that link I have given in description box. So here, as you click on profile, here you can see for some permissions, we can directly click on it and we can edit that permission. Then as you scroll down, here you can see this permission we cannot edit directly. So edit this permission, we need to click on edit button. As we click on edit button, you will see now we can edit these permissions. Now first we will see save mode permissions. In that we will see app setting, object setting, tab setting, password policies and admin level permissions. Now first we will see the save mode permissions. In that we will see app settings. For that quickly jump to the org. Now first we will see which app permissions the profile principal has. For that, as I scroll down, here you can see custom app settings. Now here you can see there is a custom bank CRM app. Now as I log in with the principal user, that means the principal profile user, and then in the app launcher, as I search for bank CRM, this custom app is not visible to the principal profile user. Even I click on view all, and here also I am searching bank CRM, but this custom app is not visible for the principal user. So we need to give permission from the custom app setting so that this user can access bank CRM app. For that, first we need to log out this user and then we need to give permission from the app settings. So these are the save mode permission. For that we need to click on edit and then we need to save these changes. Now as I click on edit, here you can see we can edit this custom app settings. Now here you can see bank CRM app. I am clicking this checkbox and then save the changes. Principal profile user, I am clicking on login button. As I log in with this user, I am searching in the app launcher for bank CRM. Now this user can access this custom app. But here you can see in the bank app, this user only can see the standard object. Now the custom object that we created, that object permission doesn't have for this user. For that we have the object setting so that we can give the standard and custom objects for that users. To give the custom object permissions, we need to navigate to the system admin. For that we need to log out this user. Then when we want to give standard object and custom object permissions, we need to click on edit button. As I click on edit, then scroll down to the custom object setting. Here you can see standard object and then here are the custom object. Now for the bank app, I have created bank account custom object. Now I am giving access of bank account for read, create, edit and delete. After giving access, we need to click on save button. Again we need to log in with principal profile user. And then here you can see the bank account object is visible for this user. And he can also access bank account object and create new records. Now we have seen app settings and object settings. Now we will see what is tab setting. Now we will see what is tab setting in Salesforce. Now here you can see this is the tab bar where all the tabs are present. As you click on view all, in that all items you can also see the tabs. Now let's see, in the tab settings we have three options: default on, default off and tab hidden. In the tab setting, when we select any tab for default on, that means that tab can visible on the tab bar and the all items also. That means here. Then when we select default off, that means we cannot see the particular tab or that particular object on the tab bar, but we can see that in the all items. And then when we select the tab hidden, then we cannot see in the tab bar and the all items also. Now as you scroll down, here you can see the tab settings. Now this time the custom tab setting is default on. That means it will see on tab bar also and the all items also. Now we will select default off and then click on save button and then again log in with principal profile user. In the default off settings, we cannot see the object on the tab bar, but we can see in the all items or all tabs. Let's check. Click on app launcher and search for bank CRM. Now here you can see in the all items we can see bank account, or you can click on view all and search here bank account. Then the third one option, tab hidden. Again we need to log out. Click on edit, scroll down, bank account and click on tab hidden and then save the changes. Again log in with principal user. In the tab hidden, we cannot see on the tab bar and all items also. Let's check. The bank account object is not appear here. And then as we click on view all and search for bank account, even in the all items it's not visible. This is how we can customize tab setting in Salesforce. Now we will see password policies and admin level permissions. I am logging out this user and go to the profile. Then as I scroll down, here you can see administrative level permissions. Here you can give the permissions to the users of administrative level. That means which permission admin has, we can also give those permissions to the other users also. So these are the administrative level permissions. And then we will see password policies. Here you can see password policies. Here we can set the password policies for the user which comes under this profile. Here we can set user password expire in, that means after how many days this user have to reset their password. We can select 30 days, 60, then we also have never expires option. Now I have explained the main settings of save mode permissions. In that we have seen app settings, object settings, tab settings, password policies, and then admin level permissions. Now we will see edit mode permissions. In that we will see page layout, record type, field level security, IP ranges, login hours, and then permission sets. To see this, let's jump to the org. Now these are the edit mode permissions. That means we don't need to click on edit button. We can directly make changes from these options. Now there is a employee custom object, and here you can see custom object layout. Then as we click on view assignment of employee object, you will see it will redirect to the page layouts. From here we can assign these record types or page layout to the profiles. As I click on edit assignment button and then select the profile on which you want to make changes. I am clicking on principal profile, and here we can select the other page layout. As I click on Salesforce technologies, you will see the changes has appear, and then click on save button. Now this type of changes we can make from custom object layout. From here we can assign record types or page layout to the users which comes under this profile. Now we will see field level security. Now here you can see the field level security. As I click on employee object on the view option, you will see it will redirect to the object manager where we have created fields in the employee object. As we click on it, it will allow to which type of access we need to give for the users which comes under the principal profile user. Here you can see read access and edit access. For example, there is a pick list field which is select cloud technologies. Now I will remove this edit access from the principal profile so that they can only see this pick list field which is sales cloud technologies, and they will not edit or they cannot edit this field. Now I am clicking on save button and then back to the profile. For that, click on view users and then login, and then select any employee. Now here you can see we have unchecked the edit access so this employee cannot edit select cloud technologies. This is how the field level security works, where we can give the edit access or read only access from the profile. Then we will see IP ranges, login hours, and permission sets. For that I am logging out this user and then go to the profile. Now as you scroll down, you will see login hours, IP ranges, and then other options. So let's check login hours. As I click on edit button, you will see we can declare here start time and end time. So here as we define the start time and end time, only between that login hours user can log in into the Salesforce org. Then the login IP ranges. As we click on new button, here we need to specify the IP ranges, that means start and end, so that user can log in from these IP ranges. In next video we will see what is permission sets, what are the uses of permission sets, and then how we can assign to the specific user so they can access the data of Salesforce org.
I hope whatever I have explained you understood that. If you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get regular updates. And don't forget to register for the Agentforce webinar that we are going to conduct on the 17th of September. Thank you.